Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. We're walking around a 2018 Ford Escape S. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget, like and subscribe and comment below. Give us your opinion of the Ford Escape. Also, don't forget to smash the bell. That'll get you notifications of our walkarounds, keeping you up to date on our inventory. We do this to be transparent, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. To see those photos and everything else we offer, just go to TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Escape, so let's go ahead and start the walk around. All right, we are walking around the Escape. As you can see, there's still good tread on these tires. Caps are in great condition. As we're walking around, you're going to see some of these chips. It's still going down the road a little over 23,000 miles and for 5 years. So for those two factors, this is in above average condition for sure. As you can see, there's no dings, dents, heavy scratches, scuffs, oxidation right here in the back. All this stuff, once you back up, you can barely see it, if at all. Driver's side is just as clean as the passenger side. And then there's the roof. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. All right. Looking at the interior, what doesn't show in our photos, this side of the visors, the headliner, and of course the top of the dash. If you have any questions about interior or exterior condition, or maybe some shipping options or financing options, call Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Stay tuned to hear the engine running, and we certainly hope you will join us for our next walk around.